This is a video to show you how to construct a line perpendicular to another line through a point off the line. So when we want to construct a line perpendicular to L through a specific point that's not on L, we need to get an arc from the point to line L. So you're going to make your compass big enough so it reaches. So right here, if I made an arc, it's not going to reach the line. So it needs to be big enough to where it's going to hit the line twice. So make it big enough and then get a little arc there and there. You don't need to do a full arc. Okay, just get those two little arcs there to get the intersection. Now we're going to do something similar to the one where the point is on the line, which is we're going to, again, need to be at least halfway. And so it really could be the same distance. I usually like to make mine big enough to go past the point, but it can be underneath here, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and make mine bigger just to show you what it looks like. So it's going to go past there. Oop, maybe not. Don't make it go too close because that just messes things up. So I'll make mine a little bigger. Okay, so put your point on one of the arc's intersections with the line and make an arc above and below. You always have to do above and below. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other one. So point on the intersection of the other arc and the line. Make the arc above and below, okay? There you go. Now we have those two little intersections, and I'm not gonna mark it this time. I'm just gonna draw a line through it. And again, don't force it to go through P. It just should because you did the construction correctly. So I'm going to make sure it goes through these 2 points, and we'll see if it goes through P. So that looks like it'll go through the points, and it looks like it's gonna go through P too, which it should. You did it right. Give your line arrows to show it goes on forever. And let's give it a name. We'll call this one M. And then, so what we just did was constructed line M so that it's perpendicular to L and goes through point P. So we are going to go ahead and put the right angle mark to show that's a right angle. And you can actually measure it and it should be good. So if we actually measured that angle, should be pretty good. Yep, that's right on 90. And you can tell that it looks like a 90-degree angle. Turn your picture so that this is more of a horizontal line to you. This is pretty vertical. So